Been out the last 2 days in the boat, haven't done too badly. Was going out with neighbour Steve this morning in his boat and somebody slept through the alarm. Sorry, Steve. Conditions are pretty good. No surface activity that I can see yet, but use the sounder, sound around, see how we go, see if we can pick something up. Not a lot happening on the sounder. Couple of individual showings, but you'd have to be pretty good to land on it, I'd say. Snag. Oh no, it's a fish. I thought it was a snag for a minute. But anyway, it's squire maybe? It's plenty of weight to it. Fighting well. Sweetie. Plenty of fight to him. That'll do. Nice sweetie. I don't know what happened. Whether he hit me and was in behind a snag or something, I'm not sure, but I thought I was snagged for a while. Anyway, bit of a touch then maybe. Fish. Another fish. What we got this time? A wrasse. Good conditions. Tide's coming in. Not much breeze. Let's see what we can find here. No other boats around, which is good. There's something. Good fish. He's still going. I'm going after him. Come on, baby. Come back up here. Where are you? Where are you? Good solid fish. There he is, a little dupe. Come on, back here. Want your bigger mates. Don't want you little fellas. Beautiful. See if I can get this in. There he is. Just a little fella. Beautiful looking fish, aren't ya? Okay. baby. Swim.